You gotta look at it really close like that.
What did I say?
What do you want to say? You're gonna say,
welcome to Weems Motor Co.
Welcome to Weems Motor Co.
Heck yeah, dude.
Welcome to motorcycles.
Welcome to motorcycles. That's what it's all about. It's all about motorcycles here at Weems Motor Co. Regardless of what name's written on the side of the tank. But today I have to say that the name that's written on the side of the tank is Harley Davidson, because we are here at Bluegrass Harley Davidson, and today Rocco and my son Austin get to unveil the David Mann Sportster. Are you excited to see that motorcycle?
Yes, I am.
Super cool, right?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be fun. What do you think people are going to think when they see that bike? Are they gonna be excited?
So they're gonna go, wow.
Ooh, they're gonna want to like touch it and like get fingerprints all over it and everything.
Tony's gonna go ballistic and get off the rag and clean it all off again.
That's the way it works. So if you guys are watching the show today and you haven't had the opportunity to kind of know what's going on with this video, we got commissioned by the guys over at the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast, Dustin being one of those guys, to build a 1975 Harley Davidson Sportster. And all of the proceeds are going to benefit an organization called the Autism Society of America.
Yes.
Super cool organization. Looking to raise millions of dollars. That's
millions of dollars.
Millions
of dollars.
Yes. So super excited about it. My son Austin, he's standing over here in the corner. Come here, buddy. There he is. There's the guy. So Austin here has taken a huge part in this project, and he helped me build the motorcycle. Austin, what was your favorite part about building this bike? And don't say getting it done.
No, you got me that idea.
Well, I know, right?
He was ready for it to be.
It's ready to be over with.
He wanted to go play video games, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a rebellious teenager, and I'm gonna say getting it done.
Getting it done. Well, that's not a bad thing, because it has been about an 8-month process for us to build this bike. We had the bike a little bit longer than that, but I'm excited to show the people. Are you excited to uncover it with Rocco and show everybody about this bike?
Yeah.
Yep. Is pink still your favorite part about the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a princess. He likes it.
I'm
He's
a little
cool.
princess.
I want to say too, Jared, that I know it's been, what, 8 months or so you talked about, but this has been a year and a half in the making.
Oh, yeah.
Because we first had this idea, FDBM 21. Back in September of 21 is when we first approached you with this idea. And today it comes to life.
It comes to reality.
We're going to see it unveiled right here at Bluegrass in Lousiville, and it's exciting, man. A lot of people are showing up. A lot of people are excited to see it. I'm excited to see it. This guy's excited to see it. This guy's excited to see it.
Yeah, dude, it's going to be a great time, and we're all excited for you guys to get to see it. It's going to be a great time. We'll try to get this video out as soon as possible, but if you want to see other stuff on it, make sure you head over to our playlist that is titled the Autism Charity Build, so make sure you check those out. Rocco, ready to do this?
Yes.
Let's do this. All right, you ready? Ready? What do we say? Motorcycles?
Motorcycles.
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 What's your favorite motorcycle in the world? Is it a Harley?
Harley, yeah.
Harley, yeah. Okay, cool. We'll let you live with that today, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Right here, Knuckles. Oh, nailed it!
sportster.com. Listen to us on any podcast platform that's out there. We're also on YouTube, so check that out. But anyway, we're going to try to get this over quick because you guys want to see this bike, right?
Yeah.
All right, just to go back a couple years ago, about a year and a half, we approached Jared Weems, who is the builder of the bike. So please give it up for Mr. Jared Weems. He built this beautiful trim, which you'll also see in the poster and on the original painting that David Mann did. This is a David Mann replica bike. This is all one of a kind. This thing, you got to see, is breathtakingly beautiful. And it's going through a great cause. Autism Society of America will be the beneficiary for this raffle, which is going on now until September, mid-September, where we will draw a winner at FPBM September 16th. So go to fightermakers.com, buy a raffle ticket, and support great guys, great cause guys, and let's do something for a community that can really use it, all right? Yeah. All right, DJ, if you please.
So as we are wrapping up the unveiling of the Sportster, super stoked to be a part of this project. This guy right here, huge part of the project, kept me on my toes the whole time saying, hey, stop spending so much money on this motorcycle. I was like, but we gotta make it cool. We gotta make it cool, right?
And we did.
And we made it cool.
It is amazing.
It's an amazing
Absolutely
bike,
amazing.
and it's gonna go even more towards an amazing charity. So super stoked to be part of this project. Thank you for letting me do that. With that, guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Bluegrass Harley Davidson with the 5 Nerdy Bikers.
And can we get a Go Army?
And go Army.
Go Army.
Hooah.
Hooah.
Hooah. Peace.